In this video, I'll show you how you can transfer your money from Webull to Webull Pay. Now, there are currently no way that you can direct transfer from Webull to Webull Pay. However, there is something else that you can do. You can head over to your Webull and then you can make a withdrawal. So just withdraw all of your money back onto your card, your bank account, and then from on there, you're just gonna transfer it to your Webull Pay. Now, like I said, you cannot directly do it from Webull to Webull Pay, but you can do it from Webull to your bank account and then back to Webull Pay. Now, if you want to learn more about how you can withdraw, you can just head over to the help section right here and it will show you how it works. Now, keep in mind there might be fees for a wire transfer, so keep in mind when you do it through the wire. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.